I'm gonna play quick audio clips from the Below Deck multiverse. Jen and Ryan will guess if this audio is from a hookup or not. Okay, this is. Okay, let's hear the first clip.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Jesus.
Is that from a hookup?
I don't think so.
I hope to God it's not.
Let's reveal.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's Chef Kevin having
Jesus.
stomach cramps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, were they banging buoys, bumping buoys here? Jen?
100%.
Ryan?
That is a person getting railed.
Yes, that is Kylie hooking up with a stranger in a restroom. Kyle. Okay, were they bumping buoys here? Jen?
I think so.
Ryan?
Yes.
Yes, it's Elizabeth and James making noises.
Oh my
and
God.
Oh.
Wow,
What a
okay.
visual.
All right, were they bumping buoys here? Jen?
I really hope not.
Ryan?
That's not the way I do it.
I am gonna get
That
sick.
is a seasick charter
Man
guest.
down.
Okay, very good. Okay, were they bumping buoys here? Jen?
100%.
Ryan?
That felt emotional, yes.
That is Riley and Tyler. Yes. Yes. Okay, were they bumping buoys here? What do we think?
Ooh, I really hope not.
I'm gonna be so crazy and say yes.
Ooh.
Yes, it is. It's Eddie and Rocky's infamous.
Oh.
Yes. Oh. Okay, last one. Were they bumping buoys here?
Oh no. Just,
No, it's a charter guest loving the food.
This is a food orgasm for sure.
They loved it. Okay, thank you for playing.